Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Making Investments Simple. And today I will be talking about Zerodha Sentinel. And Sentinel is a new platform from Zerodha, which is an amazing tool to monitor the markets. If you are from IT field, you would know there are a lot of monitoring alerts which you get, from which you would know the system is not working or computer has some problems or things like that. So this is prepared on a similar concept and real-time market alert. So you don't this is an alert from which you can actually set up an alert for um, whether the price has gone up from this price, and things like that. So if you have an Zerodha account, you can use this Sentinel Pro version, which has a lot of features, and for free till 30th of June 2018. And this is a cloud-based concept, and it's an amazing feature where you can get real-time alerts. So what happens is, many times we are busy in our work schedule, job schedule, and we cannot monitor the markets. Our positions might be lying and from this price. For example, I have bought as State Bank of India at 260 rupees, and I am waiting for it to go up to 270 rupees. So one thing you can do is, you can, as soon as the market opens, you can place an alert or things like that. However, you can also do something like this. You can use this particular application, Zerodha Sentinel, and you can make an alert whether, as soon as this last traded price crosses 271, please alert me, and you will get an email notification. And if the price goes below that, then give me a notification. Or if Nifty crashes 100 points, give me a notification. So you can create these kind of alerts from this particular app. Right now I don't see an app version, I only see a web version from Zerodha Sentinel. And you can, if you have an account with Zerodha, you can easily use this app without any problems. If you do not have an account with Zerodha, you can open an account with Zerodha by there's a link down below in the description, from which you can open an account easily with Zerodha. So this is about Sentinel. This is entirely new application from Zerodha. So more on this in the coming days. Right now, this is just an introduction video for you to know about and to create awareness about this. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, clarifications on my videos, please feel free to write to me. And also please write the topics which you feel difficult to understand, and I'll try to simplify it for you. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.